And now let's see what's going on with the weather. Here's our ace weatherman, Boris Beagle. Boris?
Well, thanks a lot there, Cousin Harry. And now let's take a look at the weather. Oh, I love those fonts. I believe that's Arial Bold. Ah, it's just pretty. The weather. Oh, I love it. If you look up here, you'll see the sun. Ah, it's a beautiful sun. I believe that's how the sun looks in Acapulco. And I will go there to see it as soon as I win the lottery. Now, if you look over here, you'll see some clouds with a little rain coming down there. Ah, it's so pretty with the little bluish in there with the black. Ah, it's raining there. If you look down at the bottom here, you'll see, it's snowing. You see the dark clouds with some snowflakes there representing snow coming from the clouds. And if you look over here, you'll see, it's Death Valley days again. And I will not go there to see it, okay? You can tell me all about it, but I'm not going. Well, that's all for looking at the weather. Now, let's go with my 3-day forecast. On Monday, pretty dry, not much chance of rain. No! Well, Tuesday has got to be a perfect day. You may have a slight chance of wind, but not too much wind. No! Well, hey, Wednesday's gonna be the bomb, I promise you. Oh, well, that's all I got. Back to you, Cousin Harry. Thank you.
Thank you, Boris, for that dreadful weather report.